Don with PNW Blanks, and I wanted to do just kind of an extra tutorial today. I just did a product spotlight and tutorial on our cutting boards. So I'm also doing some matching towels. So it's been a while since I've done a tutorial on the towels. So these are waffle weave towels. I love these towels. They're huge. They're 18 by 28. We do have them on volume pricing. Look how big these are. Really, really nice towels to sublimate on. And like I said, we do have them at volume pricing, so you can, the more you buy, the more you save. But I'm just going to do these cute little gingerbread towels to match. So I've got this one, and then I'm going to do this cute little design. And these are designs that I just found on Etsy. So you're going to get your towel. And I do 360 on my Cascadia Pro heat press for 55 seconds. And the first thing that I want to do is just pre-press it. So I just put that down. I'm going to pre-press the whole thing. So I just go for, I just hold it down probably about 10 seconds, not too long. Just to get, if there's any moisture, get that out. Okay. And then I'm going to pre-press this other end so it's not wrinkly. And then that's the end that we're gonna press our design on. So, and I do 6x6. So this is a 6x6 design. You can do bigger, smaller. You can do the whole towel. Like I said, I was just doing these to match the cutting board. I think it's super cute. Okay. So then once we do that, we've got our towel. It's nice and pre-pressed. I don't need to put blowout paper underneath, just because it's not going to go through this. Okay. And then I'm just going to find the middle of my towel. And I go up just a little bit because I don't want it at the very, very bottom. And you can use a measuring tape. I just kind of eyeball it. And then we want to make sure we tape it down so it doesn't shift. And we talk about that all the time when we do sublimation, but you don't want it to have any ghosting. Okay. Make sure I have it straight on there. And then I am going to put my huge piece of blowout paper. Let me cut this because I don't want to waste that. That over the design, scoot it back in using my Cascadia Pro. Those are available on the website, also pnwblanks.com. So make sure you check out all the great items we have available. And like I said, we're going to go 55 seconds, and then once that's done, we'll come back. All right, we're almost going off, and I do use Cyclone 2.0 ink to get these beautiful, beautiful colors. Gonna pull it off. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. And then I just fold it up once I pull it off. And we can take a look at that. How cute is that? Super, super cute. So these are just super cute. Like I said, available at pnwblanks.com to get your waffle weave towels. Thank you.
Thanks for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share with your friends, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Come join us on Facebook for more tips, tricks, and tutorials. Happy pressing!